What exactly is the problem? You know, it doesn't really matter. You know, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. But the major thing is that the truth must be told. Huh? You know? Yeah. What's the good there? You know? The major thing is, no matter how it is, my questions still fall back to, can I say, former President Goodluck Jonathan? You know? Because Goodluck Jonathan is a Goodluck Jonathan. Then how come you happily hand over to a bad luck? Yeah, because Goodluck Jonathan is a good luck. Now, the stupid one you hand over to use is useless Buhari is a bad luck to Nigeria. In fact, it's a bad luck to the whole Hausas. Because he's a useless man. Okay, how can you hand over to somebody that, because he's not a good luck, do not know what to do. He's not a violent man. If he is, like this animal that you people bring from the cattle ranch in Sokoto or wherever I come from the northern, to come and begin to step on people, talk to people like they are not human beings. What a mess, Nigeria. What a mess. Give them Biafra. Is there anything wrong with that? You have something that belongs to somebody. You are sitting upon it. You are not making yourself to look like a useless child. An old man. The whole men in Nigeria, no one can talk to you again. You are now a hero. You are seeing yourself like the greatest one in the whole nation. Traveling here to here and command authority to people. Who are you talking to? Where are the embassies? I heard you came to Dubai. You tell them in UAE that they should seize the property of people that have house in UAE. Buhari, did you have a house? The travel you left Nigeria to Dubai when they are having a case of Nnamdi Kanu, that man you are suffering is a human being like you.
Just fighting for the freedom.
Fighting for the freedom with no harm, nothing. You are punishing him for nothing. The land of that country will judge you. The people that have lose them businesses and lose them soul since you are sitting in that seat of useless president of you, Buhari, will judge you. You will never know peace. Your portion is a sick bed and you will die in the sick bed. You will never survive any sickness that come before you. What a useless president are you? You move money from Nigeria to fly to UAE. Saying that you're coming to protest. Okay, people that is in different country. Where do you have an embassy? Tell me the Nigerian embassy that is working in any country. Have a case and go to any embassy. They will not listen to you. People are looking for TC.
People in prison.
Different people in prison. Nobody is fighting for them. Nobody is saying anything. If you have a case and go to the embassy, they will not say anything. But another people will come and say they need TC. They will give them money. They will take. Embassy, Nigerian embassy. Now you tell one useless ambassador in Dubai to help you organize people that have houses. You are making that useless man to be rich. Because they will give him money. If you're fighting for corruption, stupid Buhari, why didn't you fight for corruption? And stop fighting party corruption. You are fighting PDP, you're not fighting corruption. Yeah. You are fighting all the members of PDP. You're not fighting everybody. If you're fighting everybody, PDP people, they have a lot of, APC, they have a lot of houses here. Yeah. A lot of them, including Tinubu. I know his houses. Amechi have houses here. Useless man in Gige. Have you seen yourself?
Fashola.
Ordinary birthday of Adam. Adam that is deceiving himself. Buhari went. Your own father that bring you to this earth died. He did not come. Why? Because he knows you are a Biafra. He knows the truth. And you doesn't want to know you said he doesn't want to know the fact that you are a Biafra. You are fighting for what doesn't belong to you. Who is the Buhari that you are fighting for, Buhari? It was Otimbu Buhari. A useless man like you. You sold your people because of what? The money you've not seen. Vanity upon vanity. You will leave. The money will leave. You will die and go. People will scatter the money. by different ways.
Amechi should be.
Amechi, get ready. Wait for your own turn. Is coming. You saboteur. You useless animal that doesn't have sense. Amechi, do you know the meaning of Echi? You don't know tomorrow. Tomorrow we cut you off and we kill you. Because you're a useless man that they have in that Biafra land. You're a Biafra, but you don't know. I am a strong Biafra man.
Using River State money to sponsor.
You are using a money that belongs to people. There's a poor people in River State. People that is fighting for them rights. Leave them all here for them. You are fighting them. Are taking fighting all these people. Is them land? Can anybody come to your own land? This useless President Buhari fight for your all this your cow, your goats, your training. You are forgetting about the goat and cow you have. Now you are controlling money. Tinubu have given you a golden spoon to feed with. You that eat with ordinary dirty hand that you can't even have a water to wash your hand. Tinubu have put enough food in your table. Do you even respect the Tinubu that put the food in your table? To show how stupid you are.
Now they advise them to wipe Nigeria.
Which advisor do you think you have? Nobody. You don't have any advisor. Don't think you have a friend. You don't have any friend. Your death will be worse than any death you can name on this earth. You will die like a fly that has no place of perching. I am telling you because I am the ghost of the land which I am from, the land of Enugu State, the land of Biafra which I come from. Will never let you know peace in your life. You will die this shameful death. You will be the worst president in the whole world that will die like a biggest fool.
Who has asking to wipe out Niger Delta?
Animal asks you to wipe out Niger Delta, isn't it? Which Niger Delta are you wiping out? You are wiping a chicken. Are them children for you to wipe out?
You should try it and see now.
Are them children for you to wipe out? A stupid man like you. You're using your useless mentality. Old mentality that would have been rest in a grave. Your mentality, Buhari, should rest in a grave. That's where you belong. A graveyard. Because you don't have nothing to offer to the society. People that play ball for since long time when you're ruling, you cannot compensate them then. Because of your stupid, selfish interests. Now you're using the money. Because Tinubu have given you a golden spoon to compensate them. Death or life. The younger youths that went to strike for Nigeria. You look them like they are nobody. Because they have majority of Igbos there. So we are now